Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at ng TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mr. Queen PH for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. For you, Virgo, so ito ang inyong bracelet. Meron itong turquoise, moss agate, and amazonite na nag-align sa energies ng mga Virgo. So available na rin ang naka-box. Meron tayong black na box, meron ding white na box. Just in case you want this as a gift, no? Ipangregalo sa inyong mga loved ones ngayong holiday season. So available pa rin naman yung naka-pouch, but at least you have the option, no, to choose kung gusto nyo naka-box para mas presentable. So this is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So let us see what's coming to you, Virgo. Ngayong December 2023. What's coming to Virgo ngayong December 2023? This is your energy, flexibility. Ayan. So, maaring marami kang pagsasabay-sabayin na gagawin ngayong December. Very busy, magwo-work, and then magbi-business, or marami kang asikasuhin. So, ang maganda rito is adaptable ka. So, you are flexible. You can do a lot of things. You can multitask. So, maaring marami kang pagsasabayin na trabaho. Which is good news kasi syempre, at least, the more work, the more money. Diba? Let's see. Some of you are also going to learn a new skill, no? Bagong skill na, kumbaga madadagdagan yung iyong knowledge, kaalaman mo. So, mas flexible ka kasi mas marami kang kayang gawin. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? Okay, clarity. So, yung iba sa inyo, when it comes to decision making, posibleng medyo mag-struggle kayo sa pagdedesisyon, lalo na kung naguguluhan kayo kung anong pipiliin ninyo, no? Oo, so I think this is something that you need to work on, yung clarity ng mind ninyo. So, releasing of negative energies around you, or meditation, pagfo-focus sa solution, no, kesa dun sa problema or challenge na kinakaharap mo, para magkaroon ka ng presence of mind. Ayan. So let's see naman your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Virgo? What's the opportunity? Empowerment. Wow. So, I feel like you will upgrade, no? Meron kang i-upgrade sa iyong sarili para mas maging confident ka. Kahit anong upgrade yan, pwedeng physical, mental, emotional, spiritual upgrade, na at least you will feel confident that you are better than before. Oo. You will feel empowered. So, some of you, new knowledge, new skills, abilities. And then, yung blessing. Tignan natin. What is the blessing for Virgo? Communication. Ganda. So, as a blessing, I feel like you're going to tap into your creativity, yung creative mind mo, yung way mo to communicate with others. If you are, kung nasa nasa field ka ng communication, ginagamit mo yung voice mo to communicate. This makes sense kasi ang Virgo is ruled by Mercury, and Mercury rules communication, no? And itong clarity is also your challenge. So, puro blue Blue is associated to your throat chakra, which is your communication and your expression. So, I think, no, maging challenging man sa'yo yung decision making mo, yung blessing mo naman ngayong December is about expressing your thoughts, your feelings, what you know, no? So, if you are nasa communication field ka, nasa vlogging, social media, singing, no? Or any forms of communication, you will be blessed in that field, okay? So, there's blessing for you there. Maari rin may mga marireceive ka na mga messages na good news para sa'yo na matagal mo nang hinihintay, diba? So, let's see what else. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Virgo? You have Judgment. This is change. This is reinvention of yourself. So, may ano rito, mga notes, no? So, some of you are musically inclined, Virgo. You are talented in music, arts. Ayan. And I feel like you are bringing out a new version of yourself. Kaya nga mas magiging flexible ka. Kasi parang, bagong ikaw na mas maraming alam, mas maraming kakayanan. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? You have the Ace of Swords. Oh my God, this really makes sense. Kasi clarity, tapos Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is also about clarity, no? The truth. Oh, okay. So, maaring merong katotohanan na matutuklasan ka ngayong December na maging challenging for you. Na, sabi nga the truth will set you free. So, why not, no? Why not let it come out and accept that? And this is also hunger for knowledge. So, talagang yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong matutunan, matuklasan, i-enhance sa inyong kaalaman. But, maaring yun yung magiging challenge ninyo dahil kulang kayo sa oras, sa panahon. So, manage your priorities. So, let's see naman yung opportunity ng mga Virgo. The Ten of Wands, a lot of work to do, no? There's an opportunity for you to multitask, no? Kasi nga mas magiging flexible ka. Maraming trabaho, maraming opportunities. Some of you are going to get all of them, no? Yung tipong kaya mong pagsabay-sabayin. Ibig sabihin lang nun, ganun kakalakas, okay? So, just make sure na ang kinukuha mong trabaho is kaya mo talaga siyang panindigan, hindi masyadong nag-over, no? Beyond what you can deliver, diba? So, yan. Meron kang opportunity to have a lot of work. Kaya lang meron dito, itsura niya, nagre-reklamo siya, no? But I feel like, you will take pride dito sa mga kaya mong gawin. Yung magiging proud ka sa sarili mo na you can do a lot of things. So, as a blessing, let's see, ano yung blessing? You have the Emperor. Oh, diba? This is someone who is on top of his game, her game, no? Leader, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, ang blessing nyo is leadership role. Merong leadership role sa trabaho, sa career, sa business ninyo. Merong maaring mapopromote, no? Oo. So, I think this is something na good news na i-communicate sa'yo ngayong December ng iyong boss. And this is also being, nakaupo siya sa kanyang trono. So, it seems na merong recognition rin sa'yo ngayong December. So, i-recognize ang iyong galing, ang iyong talento, ang sipag mo sa trabaho. Wish will not be granted. So, meron kang wish na hindi pa muna ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Dahil, syempre, it takes time, no? Yes, pagdating daw sa business, mas magiging resourceful ka, mas magiging, strategic sa negosyo, mas focus ka kung may mga business kayo ngayon, or pagdating sa finances ninyo, kung meron kayong mga investments, someone new is entering your life, o baka merong bagong person na magkakaroon ng influence sa inyo, Pwedeng sa trabaho, sa business, or even sa relationship. Oh, ganda nito Virgo, rainbow. The most difficult part of a situation is over. Ayan. So, kung may challenge man kayong maranasan ngayong December, kayang-kaya nyo malagpasan yan. So, don't worry. Okay? Kayang-kaya nyong ma-overcome yan. So, tingnan natin sa inyong love life. Love life naman ng mga Virgo. Wedding. O, yung iba sa inyo a-attend ng kasal. Or kayo yung ikakasal or a family member. This also means contracts, no? Pagpasok sa isang kontrata sa relationship, pwedeng kayo mismo magbi-business ng partner mo. And this is also about kumbaga may agreement, no? Oo. Or taking your relationship to the higher level, to a higher level. Ayan. Unrequited. Meron sa inyo, yung iba sa inyo, you are in a relationship na parang you feel na hindi nako-complement or nako-compensate yung effort na ibinibigay nyo sa relationship. So, playfulness, kailangan lang daw, meron kayong oras at panahon na mag-enjoy ng iyong person. No? Kumbaga, ikaw na yung mag-initiate na, lumabas kayo or mag-enjoy kayo together. Kasi, pwedeng busy yung iyong person, kaya feeling mo, hindi siya nakakapag-effort sa'yo. Or it's the other way around. Masyado kang busy. Tapos feeling ng person mo, kulang ka ng oras sa kanya. So, kailangan nyo daw ng magsaya together. Punta kayong Enchanted Kingdom. To have fun, 'di ba? Ayan, merong attraction din dito. So, someone is romantically attracted. So, for some of you, na mga single dyan, pwedeng ito yung, someone new na e-enter sa buhay ninyo. Oo. Someone new will enter into your life. This can be a person na attracted sa'yo. Oo. So, nasa sa'yo na yan kung magiging attracted ka rin sa kanya. Diba? So, let's see. Sa naman? Money, career, finances. Money. Okay, you are meant to be successful, Virgo. Yes. You are meant to be successful. So, ngayong December, may kita mo yung success, yung tagumpay. Kaya may recognition sa'yo rito. Oh my God, look at that. North Star, this is your destiny. Hinaharap mo na ngayon ang iyong life's purpose. You are facing the future with excitement. Ayan. You are embracing your passion. Dinedirect ka ngayon sa iyong life's purpose, sa iyong destiny. Wow, meron pang feast, merong celebration for some of you, Virgo. I think ito na yung yung mga na-achieve nyo na goals, no? For the whole year, ngayong December, parang fruitful na sa inyo yung December. May kita nyo na yung anong tawag dyan? Harvest season, no? Oo, yung bunga ng inyong pinaghirapan. So, may feast. Merong salo-salo. Okay, final message for Virgo. Ano yung final message for Virgo? Intuition, star. Your intuition is going to be on point. Sabi rito, listen to your soul's truth. Think less, feel more. So, I think ito yung clarity na challenge sa inyo. Yung mga katotohanan na mabubunyag or marirealize ninyo that will help you, embrace who you really are at mapunta ka dun sa destiny mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.